YouTube, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the spot. It's your boy S Dub, and it is time for another one. So I got a gentleman. He got a mower. He went out on the property and he broke the wheel. It's the weirdest thing. Where is that thing? He like completely shattered the wheel, guys. Like he broke the wheel. Like so we doing a quick wheel swap. So let's get it. All right, let's get this thing off. We're using a 14 mil. Okay, easy enough. I'm gonna lube it up a little bit, guys. Uh-oh, come on. All right, that wheel won't cut it. Let me grab a different one, guys. All right, we went to the graveyard and snatched one off, and we have the same issue. Okay. All right, guys. So I ended up to make it simple process. I ended up just gonna do a axle swap again. Alright, so the axle swap's easy. It's up in here. A simple little, you just pry on the two plastic pieces and it will stop pinching it and you slide it out. It's really easy. Bam, that's it. Let's flip it back. There we go, guys. Simple wheel swap. All right, thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.